What do you think, Walter? What do you think about this one? Is it just another one that needs struts? Yeah? Oh, we got another one that needs struts. ...2004 Lincoln LS. Fucking immaculately maintained by, I'll just call her V. Well, her name is V, but I'm not going to give you her last name. Well, I put my coffee on her car. Probably shouldn't have done that. But, yeah, man. You're fucking it up. Alright, well, I'll probably delete all that. But anyway, this one probably, I mean, I'll show you how quick and easy it is, just like on that Camry. Very, very, very similar. Only these, instead of attaching to the spindle, they attach to the lower control arm. But, making this video, oh my god, dude. But I'm making this video as a review. FD2FB, that is the struts for this car. Let's see if they got their name anywhere. Here we go. We're going to be reviewing Strut Masters today. I've never used them, but I see them all over, especially YouTube. And they promote on History Channel when their car shows are playing, and they promote on Motor Trend Channel, I believe. Anyway, so these are some, it's weird. This is a conversion kit to convert your front air suspension to just regular, you know, coil over shock. But it already is just regular coil over shock. I don't know if only a few of these were made with air suspension, or if they're all supposed to be air suspension and this one's already been converted. I don't know, but it's exactly what I needed. I just needed some regular fucking struts. So I already took these out, or one of them out yesterday. But they are fucking nice, man. Apparently they come with iBox springs here, made in the USA. Yep, made in the USA, for stock ride height and just all around OEM drivability. As you can see, we got 4 nuts up top, 1 through bolt in the bottom. That's what goes through that lower control arm, like I was saying. So I'll put those back in there. So I'll get these installed, maybe make a quick video showing you. Again, it's just like the, ooh, excuse me, just like the Camry I did, except instead of 3 bolts up top, you got the 4, and instead of the 2 through bolts going to the spindle, you got 1 through that control arm. So, to get to that bolt that goes through the control arm, you are going to have to take the sway bar links out, and you know, 9 times out of 10 you're going to fucking destroy them. Good thing on this car is she's got bad sway bar links as well, so we're just going to replace those as well. I'm probably just going to cut them and rip them out of there, and then do the struts and kick fucking Walter in the face. He's fucking on one today. I don't know what we're going to do, but yeah, we'll get started and throw those in, do the sway bar links. Still got to run to the parts store for those. Those are local. But yeah, Strut Masters are the only ones I could find with quick struts for this car. Alright, well, we got passenger side done. I'll just show you. Oh shit. I should gotta pause the music, otherwise I'll get copyrighted like I did on my poker table build video. She got banned in 9 countries because I had fucking Tim McGraw and somebody else, but they got pissed off. But anyway, new ones in. I don't know why, but they come with these flat washers. I think, I mean, they got lock nuts, but I'm not really sure what the fucking washers are for. But yeah, fuck. She's just as easy as I thought, and I'll show you guys. I'll do the other side with you guys. But you just pull the sway bar link out, and you can get that bolt. Get those top 4 bolts. and then you just kind of got to pry down on the whole spindle to kind of pop that out this way and out this way towards the front. So even easier than the Camry. I mean, a little bit more muscle power required, but easier in the long run. But I'm gonna put my music back on and put the camera down here, and I can fast forward it because I can get rid of that audio so I don't get copyrighted or sued. So yeah. Well, I'm a dumbass and I didn't bring the camera on the test drive, but they ride really, really nice, those Strutmaster struts. They must be progressive rate springs. I didn't even look into it when I ordered them, but those iBox springs must be progressive rate, because it started a little bouncy and then I just kept bouncing it here in the shop, and it slowly kind of firmed up, and took it for a test drive, and nice and smooth, real quiet. Not too bouncy, but not too much give either, which is good for the LS. You know, it's you want it to feel sporty. So yeah, we're all done, aren't we, Walter? Yeah, he finally calmed down. It's all good now, just chilling. But yeah, so Strutmasters, thumbs up from me. I will use them again in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.